What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here in a small town today in Spain called Ronda. Apparently they're supposed to be real famous for bullfighting, so it struck my curiosity. So of course we're gonna hit the road, right? And we're gonna see different places around Spain. I even think I might just make a series all about Spain where I travel to different places. I think that might be pretty cool to do. But we're right here today in Ronda, and I'm gonna take you along with me, okay? If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. If I give you some kind of inspiration to go see some other places, or if you've seen some places that you might have seen in my previous videos, check that out too. But in the meantime, I think I might show you from the sky right now. So I'm sitting here eating breakfast, and for some reason I'm stuck on these churros here in Spain. So if anyone's seen my Gibraltar video, I had a churro there for the first time, but it wasn't with chocolate. And now I'm about to try it with chocolate. And all you do here, you get the churro and you dunk it. And I'm about to try to see how that actually tastes. That actually tastes really good. But I'm a chocolate man anyway, so I love my chocolate. So I like it. Now I can tell you right now, I've been traveling for a long time, and it's really hard to beat a view like this. Just look at that. The mountain ranges, the scenery, and the old ruins. It's hard to beat a place like this. And sometimes you just gotta sit here against the wall that's hundreds of years old and just relax and enjoy the moment, because this is what traveling is all about. This is why I travel. This is why I try to help other people realize how traveling is for them, and just go do it, because you never know what's outside your door. You never know what's outside your country until you see stuff like this. Wow. Well guys, Ronda was a very exciting place. Look at the bridge. That was amazing, and I hope everyone else liked it as well. I hope that this inspired you to get out of your own shell and see something else out there in the world that makes you happy. I love traveling, and if you want to continue traveling with me and seeing what I see, smash the like button and the subscribe button, and we can continue this journey together.